Your garage door is more than just an entrance. It's your home's security, safety, and everyday convenience. When it stops working, you need fast, reliable professionals you can trust. Welcome to 911 Garage Door Service and Repair LLC, your trusted local experts for garage door repair, installation, and emergency service across South Florida. From broken springs and faulty openers to track alignment, new garage door installations, and urgent repairs, our skilled technicians handle it all. We're committed to fast response times, quality workmanship, and long-lasting solutions you can depend on. We proudly serve homeowners and businesses throughout South Florida, including Dania Beach, Hallandale Beach, Pembroke Pines, Fort Lauderdale, and Davie, delivering smooth, quiet, and reliable garage door performance every time. At 911 Garage Door Service and Repair LLC, customer satisfaction always comes first. We use high-quality parts, experienced technicians, and honest, upfront pricing, no surprises. Don't wait for a small issue to become a major repair. Call today for fast, dependable service you can count on. 911 Garage Door Service and Repair LLC. When your garage door needs help, we're on the way.